Okay, I'm going to do an example problem here on scientific notation, and I'm going to look at problem number 1 on this page. The first part A says, well, it says to calculate the quantities, reporting your answer in scientific notation and rounding the values to 3 places. I'll do 1A and 1B here. What we have is 23 times 23 times 10 to the minus 4th. And let me just remind you that when I write 23e minus 4, it really means 23 times 10 to the minus 4th. Okay? E is read times 10 to the. And so when I have 23e minus 4 is 23 times 10 to the minus 4. And basically the idea here is that I'm going to deal with the two so this is the mantissa, the 23 is the mantissa, the minus 4 is the exponent. And in this multiplication problem, I'm going to multiply the two mantissas together and get 9, 6, 6, 4, 9, 2, 5. Okay, I'm going to get 529. And I can multiply the two mantissas and then just keep the same exponent. I didn't have any exponent on the 23. You could think of the 23 as 23e to the 0 is 23, because times 10 to the 0, 10 to the 0 is 1, and times 10 to the 0 becomes times 1, which is the same number. Okay? And so this is 529e to the minus 4. Okay? And this has 3 decimal places in it, which is fine. If you want, I can write this several different ways. I could write it as 5.29. Sometimes it's more standard for scientific notation to have just one, to have a mantissa which is in between 1 and 10. And you can see here that I've divided the mantissa by 100, so I need to multiply the exponent. So I need to multiply by 100 in the exponent, which means add 2 to the exponent. If I add 2 to negative 4, I get minus 2. So there's a couple different possible answers for this one. The next part B, 1 divided by 12,345. I guess I will use a calculator for that, and I'm going to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to hit the x to the minus 1 button and hit equals, and I get 8.100 times 10 to the minus 5. Okay, and I think I'll just leave it at that, and I hope this helps for this problem.